Hello, my name is Brian Marchando, and I am a service trainer here at JLG Industries. While some of our service training courses are offered online, most of our classes involve hands-on training at one of our training facilities in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania, and Houston, Texas. You may be looking to perform basic maintenance on your JLG equipment, or maybe you're interested in learning how to troubleshoot your hydraulic and electrical systems. JLG Service Training has a course for you. JLG University offers machine-specific courses for both boom and scissor mutes, as well as JLG and SkyTrak telehandlers. You can find online training specific to hydraulic and electrical system fundamentals, and our first ever 100% online learning path for engine-powered boom lift service training. JLG service trainers have developed learning paths to help new and experienced technicians build their portfolio of machines that they are qualified to service. These learning paths will guide technicians through a series of courses to develop additional knowledge that will allow them to reach and exceed their training qualifications and goals. In addition, we're proud to offer technical webinars in 1 to 2 hour focused lessons on specific systems found on JLG equipment. These webinars will explore the inner workings of sensors, valves, and control logic to help even the savvy technician take their experience to the next level. Take a few minutes and explore the courses we have available. And if you find something that interests you, enroll today.